Imagine a place that housed the collective wisdom of the ancient world, a beacon of knowledge illuminating civilization. But what secrets did it truly hold, and what led to its tragic demise? Today, we're journeying back in time to ancient Egypt, delving into the legendary Library of Alexandria to uncover its profound impact and the enduring mysteries surrounding its fate. Founded in the 3rd century BCE under Ptolemy Isoter, the library was more than just a building, it was part of the Mouseion, a hub for research. Its ambition was unprecedented, to collect all human knowledge. Scholars estimated held hundreds of thousands of papyrus scrolls, meticulously acquired and copied from every corner of the known world. This was the Silicon Valley of its time, attracting the greatest minds. Eratosthenes famously calculated the Earth's circumference, while Euclid developed his groundbreaking geometry, and Hipparchus catalogued the stars. Librarians even confiscated books from arriving ships to copy them, showcasing their relentless pursuit that shaped disciplines for centuries. The destruction of the library isn't a single dramatic event, but a complex series of declines. While Julius Caesar's fire in 48 BCE likely damaged some scrolls, its true demise was gradual. Christian zealots and later the Arab conquest are often cited for further losses, but neglect and political shifts played significant roles in its ultimate disappearance. The Library of Alexandria remains a powerful symbol, not just of lost knowledge, but of humanity's boundless intellectual curiosity and the fragility of our shared heritage. It reminds us to cherish and preserve information. If you found this glimpse into ancient history fascinating, hit the like button, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more journeys through time.